welcome back to my channel, baby. So today I'm just on my way to today I just got off of work. Y'all be like, why the fuck she got a bonnet on? Why did she come from work like that? Yes, I went to work in a bonnet. Like, I was really rocking this like it was a part of my culture, and it is a part of my black culture, because you know, us girls, we love to wear bonnets when we go to sleep. But I had to wear this stuff to work. I was about to say the S word, but I'm trying not to cuss that much on my channel. But no, I had to wear this. My stylist had put braids under this last night, and it was getting late, and I'm like, you know what, let's just do this tomorrow. So he's like, okay, cool. So I got my braids under here, and I'm about to get, it's okay though, because I'm finna get fleeky. And yes, I wore this to work. I was rocking it, and I know people was looking at me like, what the fuck is on red? Because I got a big ass head and this little ass bonnet, and like all my hair is like pressed down, so it ain't like nothing. It's just like, I don't know, it's like weird. But yeah, it's okay, because I'm about to get fleeky. It's all for a good cause. So yeah, I'm just on my way to the shop now, because I'm going on, I wanted to vlog today because I'm going on a trip tomorrow. So this video will be up probably tomorrow or the next day, I don't know, but I want it up tomorrow. So I'm going on a little quick trip or whatever, so I wanted to take y'all with me to get ready for my trip and like pack with me and stuff like that. So yeah, and then I gotta get my eyelashes done because they looking rough. I don't like them this long. I want her to fix them. So yeah, that's that. And yeah, we about to get turned, and I gotta go to my eyebrows. So yeah, I have a lot to do. So yeah, let's get to it. Let's get to it. So update, I didn't get my hair done yet, because you know, life just happens, and you know, shit be happening. But right now, so in the meantime, I'm about to get my bone. Like, I'm not playing these games. So yeah, I'm outside of Best Buy right now. I'm waiting for my mama to pull up to this Best Buy so we can get my phone, because I need my phone. But yeah, updates. So because I have the iPhone 7, this is just done. It's just done with. Like, done so. Like, trash. So but yeah, y'all, this night is about to be long as fuck, because I still gotta get my hair done. I still gotta get my lash girl. I'm waiting for her to get done at a party so she can do my lashes, and she lives like an hour away, so I gotta go to her. Like, it's gonna be a long night, and a bitch still didn't pack. Like, I didn't pack shit, but hopefully he does my fucking hair fast. Like, I hope so. And yeah, and I still gotta pack. I still gotta, I don't know, I already know what I put in my suitcase, and I want to get some stuff there. It's not like I can't get shit there, you know, because this literally is only for 2 days. So but yeah, so let's just get my phone. How about that? My mama said she was down the street. She's a lie. She be lying. That's where I get it from. Sad. Okay, y'all, so update. They didn't have the fucking phone. I'm so irritated. Like, that was a waste of fucking time. Like, so now I'm going back to the shop to do my hair. I'm trying to just think positive thoughts, positive things. Like, I'm just trying to be positive, because you know, this day is just not really good, but this is just what happens in the day in the life of Kirah Ominique. Okay, if y'all don't know how to pronounce my name, it is Kirah. I say it at the beginning of my videos, and my middle name is Ominique, which is the O in Ominique. Well, the Ominique, whatever, in my name. Y'all, it's been a long day. Like, I'm probably not even finna taking a lash nap, but this is just a film, so it's probably gonna be an hour. Lord, help me get through this night. But yes, I'm on my way to the shop, gonna get my hair done. I'm gonna feel good like a new bitch, and then yeah, positive vibes. I guess I'll just get the phone when I get back. 2 days, but I really want the phone with me while I was there so I can take some wild pictures, but it's okay. It's all good. Everything happens for a reason. Okay, y'all, so now my hair's done. I look a fucking mess right now. I cannot wait to get my lashes done. So what happened was my lash tech said that I can come tonight or in the morning, and I was like, I'm gonna come in the morning. Okay, so y'all, look at my lashes. I'm never going long in the inner corner ever again. Like, this is just not me. So anyways, so right now I'm trying on outfits for my trip. I'm trying on outfits for my trip. I'm only literally gonna be there for 2 days, but one of my outfits for going out, I'm so mad, like the pants don't fit, and that was like the one main outfit I wanted to wear and take like a bomb ass photo for Instagram, but they don't fit. Hopefully I'm able to exchange them and then wear them another time, but the outfit is so bomb. Like today, like every time I'm trying to do something, it just never works out. Like, I don't know why this shit happens to me, but oh my God, it's so annoying. But I don't know, I'm just gonna have to figure something out when I get there, because I don't know, I hope it just all works out. I'm trying to be positive. But yeah, it's about like 2 o'clock, 1:30 in the morning. I'm just gonna pack this stuff up and then do like my face stuff and then pack that, because I have to be at my my lash tech at 7 a.m. 7 o'clock, and y'all know she's like an hour and like 30 minutes away, so I have to leave the house at like 5:45. Oh my God, it's just gonna be a long day. Okay, and then yeah, so I'm about to put on a face mask, and yeah, let's just, I don't know, I look a mess. I'm just going through it. Okay, so y'all, I just got in bed and put on a face mask and wrap my hair, but I'm so salty. Like, I'm so salty about my outfit. I really wanted to wear it. I really wanted me to be on fleek for the gram. I wanted to fuck it up on the gram. But you know what? It's all good. I'm finna find another outfit and be cute on a gram. And just wear the outfit when I go to Atlanta or something. I don't know. But I really hope he lets me exchange it for something else. Well, for another, the same thing but different size. So yeah, I'm about to just shut my eyes for a little bit and wake up, pack all my stuff, and then head to my lash tech's house, and I'll see y'all in the morning. Got on $1 million in jewelry when I think about it. Got more guns than the tears. Y'all, I was running so fucking late this morning. I overslept. Y'all know when y'all first wake up sometimes, and it's just like you have to pause for a second and be like, wait, what? I didn't pack shit, y'all. Like, I'm just finna get everything when I get there, like. But that's okay, because we finna make this work, boo. So I will see y'all when I get my lashes done and update y'all. Y'all pray for me. Okay, y'all, so I just got my lashes done. They're cute. So y'all, like, it has been a day. Like, don't beat me when you grow up, okay? But it's all good. We about to make it to the airport on time. So I'm gonna probably edit this on the plane. Okay, y'all, so as you can see, I thought I was going out of town. Bitch, fooled me. I'm not, but that's all right, because God is working in mysterious ways. I hate getting fresh sew-ins because they be making my forehead look 10 times big. Should I put it behind here? Okay, y'all, so I'm about to get my phone. So this is no. I'm about to get my phone. Nobody wants to be on camera. Nobody's photogenic but me.
3, 4,
I'm about to get my phone. I'm excited.
I'm so dead. It's so hot in here.
Okay, I'll see y'all when I get my phone. They're right now.
You said
Oh my god,
no.
y'all. So I couldn't get the phone. I told my mama that we should have went to a Sprint store to get the phone to fuck with this black boy that wanted to talk to me, and he was gonna give me a phone. But yeah, so we gotta go to a Sprint store and get the phone. I told her. She don't want to listen to me. My mama always thinks she running something. I'm putting you on camera too.
Oh my god, get this smelly shit out of here. What? Wait, find the garbage can. Smell like garlic and ass. There's no garlic.
So yeah, everything that has been going wrong can go wrong.
I hate light skin.
But yeah, we're about to go to a Sprint store. Hopefully I get my phone.
Let's get it, man. Let's go.
Let's get it.
Let's get it. Let's go. DDP. We going to get a phone.
I'm going to put you on camera.
We not finna do that because I bust you in your head. Bust you in your head. What? You was on her vlog. Ass.
Bye.
Any films?
I don't even do that.
It's not.
The lights off, man. Pull around the back, man. Fuck these niggas up. Look, hey, this is what I want you to do. Meet me at the corner. I'm gonna cut through the alley. Get it. The street shit. Hey, when this nigga stand on my jewelry, game with me. We start shooting in the club with the skeleton.
This is my makeup. I kind of did like a light little beat. Cute. So I'm probably gonna go to the movies with Keisha tonight. That's the only activity I do here. I'm gonna have to film this look. It's so cute. I was gonna get on Instagram Live, but I'm kind of scared on how many people are gonna go on. Like, I'm scared like nobody will go on and then like exit, and then it'll be embarrassing as fuck. But yeah, we're gonna go see Hellfest. Film this tomorrow morning. Yeah, I think I am. It's cute. I got a couple videos to film tomorrow, so I gotta be working. I'm trying to get a thumbnail picture. Maybe I should put some lip gloss on. Hold on. Okay, my new favorite lip combo is Boy Bait by MAC. It's probably not gonna zoom in, but Boy Bait by MAC. And then I've been using this anyway. And then Cork lip liner. And then also I want to show y'all something that I do when I don't have lip liner. This is a brown concealer. And then I like to just take like a little angled little brush and then just go around my lips like that. People ask me all the time, do I have lip injections? I'm like, no. Especially when I do this. And I just like to make them full looking. They're a little crusty in the middle, but that's okay. Okay. And then I just squeeze my lips and then they look cute. I do this on a daily and put chapstick over it like during the week, but I like to put lip gloss on the weekend, kind. Okay, so that's that. And yeah, this is cute, y'all. I love this color on me. Like, I love this. I don't even want to take it off. Like, I just need like a bunch of these sweatsuits for the whole winter because that's all I'm gonna be wearing. Okay. For the first time ever. Say hey, y'all. Say hey. Y'all saw my makeup. This is so bad. But oh my god, y'all, I gotta tell y'all about yesterday. So I went to the movies yesterday, last night, and there was this car